Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. I am really excited because today's video is sponsored by Hart by way of Walmart. If you guys remember, possibly about 3 weeks ago, I had an opportunity to go to New York and I tried out all of Hart's tools. And you guys, if I could have packed the entire warehouse, I would have, because everything was just really amazing. But after the event, we had an opportunity to select 3 tools, and the tools that I'm going to be sharing with you guys are probably going to be the 3 tools that I feel like every and any household should have. At some point in your life, you're going to be putting together something, a kid's toy or furniture. So I do feel like the tools that I'm about to share with you guys are tools that are going to be really handy for anyone and everyone. The first tool that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, which I feel like if you know me, you already know, but I feel like every household should have one of these, which is a measuring tape. What makes this Hart tool really great for me is that it comes in a package of 2. So you get a 25 feet and also a 30 feet. So what I love about it is as you extend it out, it stays straight. Let me move back so you guys can actually see this. I can measure a room and it stays extended out. Normally with the measuring tape, what ends up happening is it bends. So when he extended it and he was showing, I was like, yes! Do you know how many times I've been measuring a window or a wall, and I've had to get help measuring these things, and now you don't have to. If you're not a tool person, I really feel like Hart makes these tools user friendly. So this lovely button right here is the stop tool on here, and what you do is you would extend it out, press it, and it would stop, which I love, you guys. I love it. I'm probably gonna keep the 30-inch in my car. You guys know I always keep a measuring tape in my car because you just never know when someone's gonna need your assistance. Okay, the next one, which I haven't even opened it is the 68-piece impact driver bit set. You guys already know, if you follow my channel, I am not scared of tools, especially if it's a tool that I've never used before. I'm all about tackling it. But when it comes to a drill, screwdrivers, and things of that nature, those are the tools that are like my go-to for everything. When I'm changing out a light fixture, when I'm putting together a piece of furniture, even the kids' toys, like I said. So these are tools that you can definitely have in your home, even if you're not a home DIYer. So you have everything from your flathead to your Phillips. Even if you want to do like an Allen key, you have right here. So everything is here. The only thing that you're going to have to work on if you purchase this is putting it back. I'm really bad at putting things back, but I'm gonna have me a little drawer with my little tools and stuff like that. I will put it back, but this is just like really nice. I think the way that they set this up is just really great. Look at that. You pop this part up here, you take this piece right here, you lock it in, and you pull that out, and it exposes another set. You have all the sizes. Honestly, this is no bigger than my son's gaming system. Like, so if you really need to just run out even to like auntie's house that needs some help, you can just pack this up really quickly. Don't leave it now. Don't leave it at TT's house, because TT might keep it, okay? She may forget you brought it over and keep it. But if you gotta travel real quick and take it out the house, you definitely can. I love this, you guys. Absolutely love this. Oh my gosh. For the very last piece de resistance, it's my drills, y'all. It's my drills. Look at these beauties. You guys, they're so pretty. You guys, let's open it. There we gotta go. Ooh, listen, you can use this to work on your outdoor patio. You could put together furniture. You guys, I'm not sure. I don't want to say it's brushless, and then you guys be like, Nadia, that's not true. I don't want to say that, because I don't want to tell y'all the wrong information. Oh my jeez. Oh my gosh. All right, I want to say this is brushless, you guys. And the difference between a brush and a brushless, when I asked about it at the event, is not to get too technical, because that ain't really my forte, you know what I'm saying. Brushless is like a windmill, so it's not motorized operated, so you get a better torque on it when you're actually running it, a better battery time, and you don't have to worry about your tool like overheating or anything like that. But there's a little small opening here on the tool that I can actually see, and if I'm not mistaken, I want to say it had like a little light when they did the brushless, but I'll double check and I'll have it in the description box for you guys if there's a question or something like that. But if you're going to purchase the tool, then I would highly recommend doing the brushless. Going into the drill really quickly, because I know I've probably held you guys long enough, there is 2 settings. There's 2 and then there's 1. Of course, you have your drill, and then you can go in reverse. Okay, over here on the tools you have your numbers, so you can actually go all the way from 1 if you're dealing with a very small project, all the way to 20 if you're dealing with a really big project. Okay, there's a light right here. You may not be able to see it just because the lighting itself, but there is a light. And see, you see that? Oh, look at that. See that? If you know that you're going to be working with different types of drill bits and all that jazz, you can actually take your bit and store it right here in the back of the drill, and then whenever you get ready to use it, you'll have it. I have one more piece to share with you guys. I could not leave today's video without actually showing you guys how the tools work and actually hang something up, and I also have some things that I have to put together. I'll be back, but you guys will see that. So I'm going to go ahead. The first part is going to be this side accent table, which is going to go near the accent chair, which I'm not going to be sharing that part with you just yet. I'm going to go ahead and put that together. Normally this uses an Allen key. You guys already know with an Allen key I'll probably be sitting there forever and ever and ever, but with the Hart tool, the added extension tip that I have to go onto the drill bit, I can go ahead and latch that onto my drill, start using it, and it is working so much quicker than if I was to have to sit there with the hand tool trying to do everything. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that, and once I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and work with the wall art. What I'm about to do now is hang up this wall art. Keep in mind, do not do as I do, please do better. Do not climb on the furniture. I did not have anyone to help me, so I didn't feel like moving everything and getting the ladder. So I got on the furniture, but I advise you not to do this at home. What I'm going to be using is the 75-pound Drywall Anchor. If you guys are new to my channel, here is what it looks like. I'm going to be measuring the wall, make sure everything is leveled out. That is one tool that I don't have that I will be picking up from Walmart, which is a level. You guys already know it's good just to have it to make sure that everything is going to be evenly set on the wall, especially when you're hanging up wall art. You can definitely tell when it's crooked. I'm going to be doing that right there. So that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing in this part. So that is pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys next time. All the tools that I use in this video, I will be leaving a link in the description box, and I will leave a lot more information, so definitely read it, especially if you are interested in purchasing any of these tools, whether it's going to be for you or your bae thing for the holidays. You definitely want to read in detail what I'm going to be leaving in the description box. But that is pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until next time, bye.